Okay, you've got this rather lovely Tenere. It's the World Raid Edition, so bigger tank and all the different things that these ones have. Very nice looking bike, all in black. It's only done 600 miles. First service just been done. There's the alley bash plate, big all encompassing one. These have been painted black. They're normally clear. They actually look much better in black. So it suits the bike much better. Everything looks pretty lovely on it. We did notice a really small mark there and a little scratch on the sticker. That's actually just on the sticker, so it's a little tiny little mark on the paint there. You have to look carefully to see that, but I'd rather be honest. Little carbon fibre plate there. Also from boots, you can see some marks on there. It's just sort of using enduro boots on it. It's got the nice titanium exhaust on it. Sounds really good with that. Knobbly tyres there. All looks nice and clean. It's literally just come in like this. We haven't done anything to it yet. Spin the old turntable around. That's right, got a wobbly old film here, hopefully not making you seasick. Very robust headlights on these, plenty of power there. We will give the bike a clean and a polish. Big handguards. Let's go around a little bit more. Get the other side. Beautiful turntable. One day we'll put an electric motor on it. So this side all good. Listen, that's cruise control. I'm not quite sure. No, maybe not. You don't have cruise control on one of those, would you? Nice colour screen. 618 miles. There's a menu. Scroll through your menu. Onboard computer. Twin filler caps, ohlins steering damper. Seats all good. It's got tail tidy fitted, 22 reg. We have got baffle for the exhaust. Last owner said he's sending us the standard exhaust as well, plus rear pegs. We've got rear pegs for it. You need to put the standard exhaust on for them. Start the bike up. So it starts nicely on the button. It's quite cold this morning.